Nugent on the beat. It's the rundown, everything you need to know. It's the rundown, everything you need for sure. It's the rundown, and I ain't even capping on this. Crypto blood covering every topic on this. Welcome to the show, who didn't let me go? Breaking down the facts, there's more you need to know. Crypto politics and culture, always keep it real. Teaching you the truth, showing you how I feel. Stay informed with me, and I break it down with ease. Every single day, bringing expertise. Current events and trends, I analyze with care. Knowledge is the power that we all can share. Yeah, y'all, hit that like button. Share the stream, and join the team. And you already know what the fuck going on. Shout out to my nigga Crypto Blood.
Yo, it's Crypto Blood, Detroit flow, streaming from the D, knowing what to show. Indicators are on point, OG since 12, invested in trade, living life like a pro. I'm Rucker, Jerry, it's just Bloods do. Bad motherfucker in a good way, boo. Got my eyes on the charts, ain't no time to sleep. Get that money, gotta keep it creep. That's my Crypto Blood, just the toasters on the line. Stacking my coin, got the market on my mind. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum too. Cash is king, but I'm looking for a new move. I know the culture of the markets like the streets. Got my finger on the pulse, can't nobody beat. I see the trends, I see the flow. Got my strategies in place, you know.
Yo, it's NYBZ on the mic, coming through the mist, talking crypto and privacy things you can't dismiss. You too loud, number on the line.
Fuck it. Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live. Okay.
Yeah, looks like we are good. All right, guys. How you doing this morning? Hope everyone's doing well. We're gonna get started. Robot Blood. Yeah. Yeah, I know, bro. I had the wrong mic on. Should be good now. Should be good now. Let me know if we're good now, ladies and gents. What about now? Let me know if we're good now. Should be good now. I was on my janky 7-mile mic. Hope everyone's doing well again this morning. Wisdom Bars in the house. Mike P. Prospector. Ken Bozak. Bro. What's going on? Voice Crypto in the building. Alright, now we're good. El Camino in the house. Hood's in the building. Hey, man. Say, man. Hope everyone's doing well. Again, let's get it started for today. Bloodalytics.com. You guys know we got to start the morning off right. Bloodalytics.com. Link in the description below. I don't know why they got us over here in this corner. Let me get myself together here. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go. All right. Bloodalytics.com. Link is in the description below. We got V2 live. We'll take a look at the trades we got going on. We hit the target right on the head, man. Oh, my God. The target was just precise. Look at that, man. Couldn't ask. Look, what did I say? We're going to go up. You could have bought here at 78, but then yesterday I said, yeah, but, you know, we got to get above 70. The target was 70, and then we were going to get a rollover. That's exactly what we got, ladies and gentlemen. Exactly what we got from Bloodalytics. Anything for clicks in the house. Oh man, it's great. FD. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy work. So the Dump Street team is in the building for sure. We got a nice wick on the 1 hour that happened last night, actually, or yesterday. Yesterday, actually, at 4 o'clock. We got the wick that went right near our zone. This is it. I mean, you can't ask anything better than that, to be honest with you. Right there, literally in the zone. You know, it's going to depend on the exchange, but within 1%. Now, this, you know, you guys know I use the Bitfinex OG chart because I've been using that since I got into crypto. So I always use this chart to look at the macro perspective with the crypto market. So, hey. Sorry, but this is what I do. Now, when it comes to Scalpalytics Pro, great trades this morning. No flopping and groping. Finally, no flopping and groping. We got a short we put on deck at precisely 9:40 today. Right there, boom. Took 50% of our profits right here. And we're kind of letting the rest ride. Very similar scenario, though, earlier with Ethereum. You guys will see here, Ethereum here. The short initiated Scalpalytics Pro alert would have come out at 8:30 this morning. 50% of your profits here, just to get locked in, just in case there was some flopping and groping. But the rest is definitely looking good down here. All right. We caught the entire move down, to be honest with you. From here to here, we are 2 1/4%. So that is a great move there for all the Scalpalytics Pro members. Now, I didn't even get a chance to get my, or did I? Did I get my links up today? Not really. I thought this was crazy. ETH sales hit 34 or $35 million, exceeding plan. 16,000 ETH allocation. Oh, Vitalik has been recently selling 17,000 ETH, exceeding the 16,000 and some change threshold he outlined originally in January for personally funding open source strippers. That's for you, anything for clicks. That's a lot of money on some strippers, huh? The disposals, which surpassed the original target by nearly 5%, are part of a multi-year capital allocation. But Buterin described as his own share of austerity as the ETH Foundation prioritizes long-term stability. Ain't gonna help. I'm just be honest, it's not gonna help. ETH is done. Only thing is holding up ETH is Wall Street, and they may continue to hold up ETH. They may continue to hold up ETH. It's just ain't nobody using this shit anyway, so it might as well just be an ETF, right? And just speculate on it. So as long as there's an ETF, there are currently outflows. There's some inflows coming in today off of the ETF side, but in general, I'm just saying, as long as there is Wall Street there to financialize Ethereum, Ether, then you'll be somewhat fine. Won't go to where it should go, which is near zero, because it can't scale. Right? No one's using Ethereum. No one's using any of these blockchains. I mean, if of the ones that are there, I would say that Solana has the most use, like actual use. And so in the house, what's going on? Jonah in the building. What's going on, brother? Good vibes only, for sure. Good vibes only. So that's my take on that. I want to pull up the other articles though, if I can. Let's remind me later for that update. Let's see if I can pull the other articles up really quickly, because I had a few I wanted to go over, some comments. Let's see if I can bring those up really quickly from X and CoinDesk. Let's see here. Let's do it like this. Let's do it like this, like this, like that. And then we'll go wrap back around to the trades. Bloodalytics, man, we've been working hard to roll out and upgrade V2 to the Ethereum, the Solana BNB pack. SUI and XRP will be coming soon as well. I got some more parameter packs coming as well. So we got a lot coming up with Bloodalytics, Scalpalytics Pro. So look out for that. Big time progress there. But let me see if I can get this together to display the articles that I want to display. I'm having some difficulty today. Pray for me. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. All right, there we go. So let me get we got the block post. Well, I just showed that one, but I wanted to show you guys some other ones from New York Times, the Kobesi letter or report. It's got some good stuff. I want to show you guys that as well. So let's move this on over here, and let's start with the Kobesi letter. I wanted to show you guys what he had to say here. Gold demand is set to rise further, they say here. This year, global gold demand is projected to rise to a record 49 tons in 2026, marking the second consecutive annual increase. Jewelry demand, bling bling, is expected to rise by 100 tons to 1,700 tons, or 100, yeah, plus. I don't know what he's meant by plus 100, but to basically 1,700 tons, the highest since 2024. World Central Bank purchases are estimated to come in at a historical 1,000 tons. Gold is precious metals, guys. It's time. Look, it's time. It's their time to shine. I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's their time to shine. They tried to smack us down. They did a decent job doing that. But because the demand is so strong, the physical demand, it's just very hard to keep it down. And I think we're just going on, like, we're just waving, this waves up towards $100 silver. Now, we did not make it. We did not make it to $92 silver. That's okay. First attempt, missed it. You got to swing again. You got 3 strikes. I think on the next wave up, we should break 92, and that's the one move that will take us back to 100, in my opinion. So watch out for $92 silver, and that should get us over the hump. Definitely should get us over the hump. Shanghai at 97 on the spot. We got a $10 premium right now. Backwardation is no longer. We're in contango, and looking good. So all is looking good here for silver and the precious metals. Let's take a quick look and see where we are with Bitcoin for the year. I like to look at this daily. 22% in the negative for the year. Again, I believe, my thesis is that if everything is everything, we should see a positive year for Bitcoin. So that just simply means us getting back to or above $88,000 Bitcoin. That doesn't mean us going to 100,000 again this year. That swing, I mean, we're down 22% right now. We get back to 88,000, you've made 20% on your money for the year. That's a round of applause. I mean, how much more could you ask for? Moving silence in the house. What's up? What's up? Checking in over on Kick. Yeah, follow me on kick.com as well, guys. I am on there streaming as well. Yes, I finally did, of course, when the price gets smacked down. Not like I was going to sell it anyway, but yep, finally. 22% in the red. Think of it. You got everything is in context, or should be placed in context. So 22% in the negative is a good position, even though I think we're going another 20 to 30% lower. I'm just saying, if we get back to 80,000 break even, you are up handsomely for the year. So I think we should, all things equal, we should be able to get back above $88,000 by the end of the year. That's all I'm saying. We've never had 2 years in a row negative returns for Bitcoin. So doesn't mean it won't happen. I'm just telling you, statistically, the odds are in our favor that we'll have a positive year for Bitcoin. That's all I'm saying. MicroStrategy down 1.83% today. Not too bad. MNAV is up a tick, coming in at 1.22. They're holding in, man. I have to say. He keeps buying, but I told you, once the buying stops, that's when the shoe drops. I'm just saying, bars. This morning we had the unemployment claims come in at 212,000 unemployment claims, which is a lot. That's a lot, man. 212,000. Forecast was 217, though. That's going to continue to creep up. AI is going to just slaughter all of that. Going to completely just obliterate or increase the unemployment claims. So we got to watch that number. That will creep up all year, in my opinion, as companies begin to continue, not begin, but to begin or continue to lay off people. You know, so that is definitely in the works, unfortunately. Let's take a quick look at the stock market, the equities. We have Dow Jones currently up slightly, but look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ not doing well. 1.23, 1.25% down. NASDAQ is. Russell 2K, unch. But what is going on with the NASDAQ? S&P 500 falls as Nvidia rolls over following earnings. That's why. We got the S&P and NASDAQ down right now. I'm going to be honest with you, though. I still think the overall thesis for you in 2026 and beyond is to definitely have your hands in the cookie jar when it comes to chips, right? I think that is the last Rubicon. You're going to have your hands on some of those chips, chip makers, because at the end of the day, it's all about infrastructure with this AI, right? There isn't enough chips or the hardware is where a lot of the demand is going to be pent up. So you're going to get rollover or rotation out of your software stocks, all that. AI is eliminating all of that. AI is eliminating all of that. So you're going to have your stocks, your software stocks, money's going to rotate out of that. Your Mag 7, maybe not so much, but because they're heavily invested in the AI wave. But SaaS is done. SaaS is done. You're going to be able to spin up your own software right from the terminal. So we're going into a new era, and you got to think of it differently. The software era is over. The gatekeepers for productivity, it doesn't matter who it is, Microsoft, Word, it could be Adobe, whatever software you use, whatever app you use, you're going to be able to spin up yourself and just basically cut the middleman out. That's what we got coming. So with that being said, how do we have that? How do we continue to have that type of growth? It has to be in the expansion of chips. You need more hardware to expand the AI movement. So I think having gold, having some stocks in the chip industry, warehouse, data center, all that type of stuff will be great. Will be absolutely great. Bitcoin archive. Look at this. Just in, Bitcoin ETFs bought 500 million Bitcoin yesterday and over 750 in 2 days. So inflows are starting to tick up. Year to date, though, we are still down. But on the day, they're starting to buy. And this is what I was telling you. Because they financialized Bitcoin, this is the reason why Ethereum is still alive. Look at that. Look at that first column there. Starting to buy. You got to buy because people have in retirement funds, and every month that money is coming in. Every month. Like clockwork. It's cheese lines. Every month. So on the week, we're starting to see a positive turn, but on the year, we still are negative. It's been a net sale for all of these ETFs so far, most of them. HODL is positive for the year, and they went positive for the year. Looks like over this past week or month, I should say. But yeah, inflows this week. Finally, it's been bleeding out big time. Is ton on the algo? No, but you don't need. So look, if you subscribe to the one of the any of these, right? You subscribe to any of these. What I do is I release packs, so you can they're parameter packs. So I have my software, and I'm able to optimize the software for various pairs. You just got to buy a subscription, basically, right? So once you get in, if ton is one you guys want, I will start gathering and optimizing for ton. So it's expandable. So once you get in, we can do it on any pair for the most part. Any pair. Just got to optimize it. It'll take some time for the data to season, optimizations to season. And once they're seasoned, we're locked and loaded, man. Hey, it's money print time, baby. All that. So there were a couple of other things I wanted to show you guys really quickly before we got out of here today. It wasn't that. It was more so on the Bitcoin side. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana shorts get wrecked as Bitcoin price rebounds near 69. So this move up was pretty much a liquidity grab, in my opinion. More than 400 million worth of shorts have been liquidated in the past day as Bitcoin near 69, but now we're going back down. So it was just it literally was a liquidity grab, but we had to go there because the target was there anyway. I told you guys that from the get-go. The trend line, listen, we had to go up there. So we swept up, grabbed all those shorts, knocked them out, and now we can start heading lower. I believe we head lower. Now, I don't know if we head lower. It's not guaranteed because this neckline, right? Remember, previous resistance becomes future support. So this was previous resistance. We blew through it. Now it becomes future support or current support. So we have to get below 67 for us to for sure know that we're going lower, because this here, boom, boom, we could do that, right? And then come down. Just to make sure they get every one of you degens. All right, so that's potentially a move that we will see. We'll get a bounce here at 60, 66. I mean, I saw people yesterday all on, oh, we're back, we're ready to go, we're rocking and rolling. Oh, you know, it was one day. Slow down. Are y'all new to this or what? What are we doing? You can't be excited about one day. Oh yeah, we're going. We're off to the races. It's time. No, it's not. Look at the charts. Just look at the charts. One day or 2 days of moves upward does not mean anything. But this is the type of stuff you get when you're in a bear market. Every rip, people think it's, and they get slaughtered every time. Every rip up, and then they get slaughtered, and we go back down. So the moves up are always the most violent in a bear market. Just remember that. Not in a bull market. In a bear market, you get the most violent and short squeeze moves up. And then you get the dump team come in. Like anything for Clip said. Shout out to my bro, Ken Bozak. Thank you, my friend, for the 420. Legendary. Lick a shot for Ken Bozak. Appreciate it, my friend. I'm going to have to get the wheel of crypto giveaways back on deck. I'll be doing that this spring. We'll get that back up and going. So yeah, guys, those are the two possibilities. We're right there on the precipice of knowing. So we should know within the next 2-3 hours. We should know, definitely within the next 6 hours, we should know whether or not we're going to get the bounce at the neckline, previous resistance. We get the bounce here at 66 and we head back up to, or if we just slam right through it, then it's going to be a very heavily accelerated move down. Maybe a slight bounce here at 66,300. But the move down, if we can't keep 65 or 67, if we can't keep $67,000 Bitcoin, then the acceleration movement down is going to be fast. It's going to be pretty fast. So you better watch out if you're not short. If you're short like we are, Scalpalytics Pro, baby, then you Gucci. You Gucci, Uchi, Boochie. All right, so shout out to WeX. If I can get the site to load. WeX, we got something great going on right now. Get over to WeX because I have a giveaway, $50 giveaway over on WeX when you sign up. Link is in the description below. Create yourself a new account. Even if you have an account, create yourself a new one. Because if you do that, you'll get Scalpalytics for free. 7-day free trial. All you got to do is send me an email. I'll have it set up on the site this weekend where you can just go to the site and plug everything in. But send me an email to algo@cryptoblood.io with your username, your UID, I should say, from WeX, and your trading view username, and I will set you up with 7-day free trial. Let's go. We got something major coming over there at WeX as well, so look out for that. Coming in May. I'm excited. So definitely check them out. I have another promo I'll tell you guys about tomorrow, and I'll drop it in the chat rooms as well with WeX. They got something real spicy going on right now. So I'll drop that in the chat room for you guys in a little bit, and I'll tweet it out later if you missed it. Yeah, Ken in the building, baby. That's my guy. I'm going to have to go fly out real quick to see them in Vegas. But that's it for today, guys. Pretty much a one-directional day, which is good. Less flopping and groping. Still in this Bitcoin short, initiated right at the open. You can literally, with Bloodalytics, you can. One strategy that you could employ is to literally just get your 50% take profit. In this case, on Ethereum, that looks pretty damn close. Let's see here. 0.5%. So we normally don't get like a full session where we go in one direction. But what you could do literally is just have a goal to get about 0.5% gains a day and just be out. And just be out. 0.5% gains every day. And be out. And then go enjoy the rest of your day. All right, cool, man. Yeah, I don't know. Should have my phone number, so he can just add me. Bobcat can just add me via the phone number, I guess, with WhatsApp. I don't use it too much, but that sounds good, man. Let's get it going, baby. Let's get it going, Bobcat. That's my guy. All right, that's it, though, for today, guys. Appreciate it. Again, bloodalytics.com, Scalpalytics Pro. Sign up, become a member, subscribe to the service, and you get all the other benefits. We got a free parameter pack for Zcash, so you get that free. I got to do a video on how to load parameter packs and what that's all about. We got the silver futures COMEX up and running. Didn't even bring that up today. That one's rocking and rolling. And then we'll be adding more parameter packs very soon. So watch out for that. Moonalytics, Hedgealytics, that's with the automated system. Go check that out on Blowfin. Sign up for that. And that is it, guys. That is it for today. Hit the like button, share the stream, and join the team. I'm out of here, people. Holla.
My money keep growing. Your girl is a dot. She all on my groin. She blowing my horn. We fuck like porn. These rappers is whack. They lyrics is corn. I'm getting this money. It never get born. I'm loading my strap. They calling law. Fuck around and you clap for running your jaw. If it ain't about the dollars and it don't make sense. Got me sipping brown water, but it ain't from Flint. Trying to chase all this bread, though the shit won't last. About to shut the city down like a crypto crash.
Do it live! I'll write it and we'll do it live!
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks! We'll do it live.